Music doesn't just fill a space, it transforms it. It sets the mood, shapes the energy, and defines the experience. The right music matters, and Soundtrack delivers it. We're the leading music streaming service for business, trusted worldwide by bars, restaurants, hotels, shops, and more to deliver music that's licensed, easy to manage, and always on brand. And unlike personal streaming services, which aren't licensed for commercial use, Soundtrack is built for the way businesses run. You get access to the world's largest commercial music catalog, with thousands of playlists curated by our in-house music experts for every mood, moment, and business type. Plus, powerful tools to customize your sound, from bringing in your favorite Spotify playlists, to scheduling music in advance, to managing what's played across one or many locations and sharing access with staff. Play it all through the Soundtrack app or our plug-and-play hardware. With Soundtrack, you're not just playing music, you're driving real results. In fact, 92% of businesses say the right music leads to customers staying longer and spending more. Because music is the rhythm that keeps customers engaged and coming back. Powered by music, built for business. Soundtrack.